In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Apify integration not working in Claude. If your Apify tools aren't showing up or you are seeing connection errors, this walkthrough will help you restore a clean, reliable link. We'll start with the simplest reset. Fully restart Claude Desktop. Don't just close the window, quit the app completely, so all background processes stop. Give it a few seconds, then relaunch. This clears stuck connections and refreshes any cached state that might be blocking the integration. Once Claude is back, open Settings, go to Connectors, and turn the Apify extension off. Then back on. Toggling it forces a fresh handshake between Claude and Apify. Wait a moment after disabling, then re-enable and confirm the status updates. This quick refresh often resolves minor authentication or discovery hiccups. Next, verify your API token. Make sure you are using your actual Apify API token, not a client ID. Tokens are uniquely generated credentials. A client ID won't work for authentication here. When you paste the token, avoid extra spaces or stray characters. If you still see errors after confirming the token, revoke the existing token in your Apify account and generate a new one. Then paste the new token into Claude. Treat tokens like passwords, keep them private, and don't share them in chats, screenshots, or recordings. If local connections keep failing, especially with an unable to connect to extension server message, switch to the remote MCP server, which is typically more stable. In the Apify console, search for MCP. Then copy your remote MCP server URL in Claude Desktop. Click your profile icon, open Settings, and go to Connectors. Choose Add Custom Connector. Or click the plus icon, paste the remote URL and name it Apify. So it's easy to find, click Add and Connect. A browser window will open. Authorize the connection there, then return to Claude. You should now see the connector listed and connected. If the status doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or briefly close and reopen the settings panel. The remote setup bypasses common local port conflicts, firewall restrictions, and background service issues that can interrupt the extension. That's all to it. Keep your token secure, and when in doubt, regenerate it for a clean slate. Thanks for watching.